Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Vanguard in Space Marine 2. Vanguard tactics are all about speed and aggression, getting up close and personal with the enemy. These specialized units are designed to hit hard and fast, disrupting enemy lines and securing vital positions. We'll cover how to best utilize their unique abilities to dominate the battlefield, focusing on swift maneuvers and decisive strikes. Get ready to master the art of the close quarters assault. Understanding your units is crucial for effective Vanguard operations. Assault intercessors lead the charge, delivering devastating melee attacks. Infiltrators are your eyes and ears, capable of deep strikes and disrupting enemy communications. Reivers, with their terror-inducing gear, excel at breaking enemy morale and finishing off weakened foes. Each unit brings unique strengths to your Vanguard force, allowing for diverse tactical approaches. Strategic deployment is key to a successful Vanguard assault. Position your units to bypass heavy defenses, aiming for vulnerable enemy flanks or rear areas. Utilize the environment to your advantage, moving swiftly between cover points to close the distance. Remember to synchronize your charges with any available ranged support, creating a devastating pincer movement that overwhelms the enemy before they can react effectively. For advanced Vanguard play, focus on target prioritization. Identify and eliminate key enemy assets, such as powerful leaders or heavy weapon emplacements, to cripple their defenses. Don't be afraid to execute swift hit-and-run attacks, withdrawing before you get bogged down. Master the use of your unit's special abilities and grenades to dislodge stubborn enemies from cover, ensuring your Vanguard remains a relentless, unstoppable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.